and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time to unbox two more of my PaintGem mini kits. As you can see, Christmas edition is one, and you'll see what the other one is in a minute. Okay, my daughter's sort of grouped these into twos as to what made sense to her, but Christmas edition. This is a very, very popular edition, and I can tell why. So this has 12 designs, though they're not named. If you were to purchase our stickers that we've created so that people can name them if they want to, we have given them names. I mean, they're quite simple in regards to presents and a reindeer and bells, but we have given them names in case you want to label them up, which I will be doing once they're done. But I'm not sure whether to actually frame a few of these. I have a section of wall that I'm thinking of putting up, you know, some family pictures, but it would be nice, say at Christmas, to change a few of them out to these Christmas designs. I much prefer decorating for Christmas by taking some of my normal decor away and putting something in its place. It does occasionally end up where something gets added where I don't normally have anything, but I quite like to do it that way, because if it feels too busy by just adding all the Christmas, I just want it gone as soon as Christmas Day is done. So I think I might try and incorporate some of these by changing something out just for the season. But anyway, we have the new style box, which when turned inside out looks amazing. We have the toolkit, which, to confirm, I do confirm this in each video just so that you guys know, comes in this gorgeous canvas little bag. You get a white tray, you get heart blue wax in a container, which is always good to help it stay dry. You get a set of white tweezers, can be very handy with square paintings. You get a pen with a single placer, and I think it's a 10 placer, and then you also get a 3 placer as well in case you want to do some multi-placing. And then you get a little squishy for your pen, just to help your fingers not get sore. So gorgeous little toolkit. So need to find a use for those bags. But look at the Christmas colours. It's rainbow. Quite a bit of green, of course. There is some red. It's just got tucked underneath. But then we have gorgeous oranges, yellows, peach, blues, pinks, some brown and some more blue. Looks like there's quite a few colours in that one. So let's see how many we get. Let's bob the box aside. How many colours do we get? So this, oh wow. So this one does come with the sticker sheets, which for that many colours, I will be extremely happy to be able to have the stickers for it. So 12, 24, 36, 48 less 2, 46 different colours in the Christmas set. Oh my goodness me. That is a nice chunk of colours. It's nice to know that they don't limit the colours per kit. So if the kit needs more colours because of the images that are there, then you get them, which is really nice. We do have some extra symbols. We have an umbrella, 3 little dots, a moon, a star. We have a couple of arrows, completely different colours though, and facing completely different ways. A club symbol, a diamond, a spade. Oh, and then we do have another arrow facing the same way as the blue, but it is different. We'll have a lightning bolt as well. So we'll see how awkward that is, but at least one is a brown and the other one is a blue. So that should hopefully make it easier to determine which one it is. The rest are letters and numbers. So to have a look at the jolly Christmas images. So we have a stocking. I love how many different colours there is. Like it's confetti, but not too much confetti. And with it being small, you still finish it really quickly. Then we have a poinsettia, an elf with his rosy cheeks, a robin with the birdhouse, a Merry Christmas with some berries, a snow globe, that one's gorgeous. We have, of course, your Christmas tree, candles, bells, presents or gifts, snowman, some baubles, Christmas baubles, a reindeer all wrapped up, a wreath, Father Christmas, Santa, Saint Nick, and then we have some mittens. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous images. I'm quite excited to get those done for Christmas. So that is the first set. Ooh. And then to go with Christmas, my daughter's choice to unbox with Christmas was love. Partly because it's 2 holidays, Christmas and Valentine, but also gotta love a bit of love at Christmas. This one is also one that they haven't named. So if you bought our stickers, we do have names for these. What we felt was the most suitable. You get your toolkit. Oh, some gorgeous pinks in here. Beautiful shades of pink. We've got some lilacs, reds, oranges, browns, yellow. I mean, we've still got every colour under the rainbow, haven't we, really? But there's some really, really nice pinks in there. And then to have a look how many colours we have in this one. I should have the website up because it does tell me, but hey, I just keep counting the stickers instead. So we have 3 rows, so 33. 33 different colours in this one. We have all letters and numbers on the symbols for the love. And then we have a love letter or a little miss you heart, a cupcake. Looks very nice, that cupcake. I love you, some hot lips. I'll keep that one aside, but we have the letter E. Then we have a love potion, a balloon. We have the letter L, a lock, a love lock, a love potion, the letter O, a heart, flower heart, and the letter V. So you could use these as a series. These would be nice if you then had some photos, some like 6x4 photos, and you could mix them in together. Instead of maybe using the word family, you use the word love, and make a little picture montage type of thing with them. I very much love using, you know, quite a few small frames to make a collection, especially on a big wall. So that is the Love Edition kit from PaintGem. I have no idea which one I want to do first of all these new ones, because I'm loving them all and the colours in them are fantastic. And even the ones that don't have the bright colours, I have a fondness for the images. So you never know. Don't forget, I have the link to the website down below along with a discount code. That's the main thing you don't want to forget, is I do have a discount code there. It is in any unboxing video, it's also on my website under links and codes, just in case you're pondering it for a while, whether you want to get any mini kits or not. But I have loved doing them in between all my others. And I have found the odd place for some of them around my home. But that is the next 2 kits, so stay tuned. I have 2 more to unbox in a future video, and I'm sure I will be kitting them up soon enough once I've finished the other sets. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.